Let's take a look at how to find one or more words in a workbook, how to find one or more words based on a specific format, and how to locate notes or comments. Go to the Home tab, then click on the Find and select down arrow. Choose Find. Another option will be to click Ctrl and F. Type in the word garden. If you choose the workbook option next to where it says Within, you will see every occurrence of the word garden inside each worksheet in the entire workbook with the individual cell address when you click on the Find All button. To find text in the workbook based on font color, go to Find and Replace, then click on Format. Click on the Font tab, and under Color, click on the down arrow, choose White, then click OK. Click on Find All, and you will see that text with the white font color was located on the second worksheet in the workbook. With the Home tab selected, let's go to the font group and change the font color to orange. To find notes or comments, go to Find and Select, and under Look In, we're going to locate the notes inside the worksheet. When we click on Find All, the cell selector will move to the first cell where the note is located. And when we click on the second cell address, it moves to the next note on the worksheet.